Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, and that is types of houses. But before starting types, I would like to tell you what is a house. A house is a place where people live. The house in which we live with our family is called a home. Our house protects us from cold, heat, rain, and wind. It also protects us from thieves and wild animals. We feel safe and comfortable inside our house. There are basically two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha houses are made up of mud, straw, dry leaves, wood, and stones. They are not very strong. You must have seen villagers and rural people live in such houses. Let us see Pakka house. These houses are made up of bricks, iron, cement, steel, wood, and glass. It is also called permanent house. These houses are very strong. These houses are found in cities. Urban people live in such houses. Now, houses are built according to the climatic conditions of a particular place. They are called special houses. As you can see in this pic, this house is called as an igloo, and it is made up of snow. It has a dome-like shape. Eskimos live in igloos. Such houses are made in areas which are covered by snow all the year around. The places where there is heavy rainfall or snowfall, we usually see that the roof of the houses are always sloping. The reason behind the houses having slanting or sloping roofs is that water or snow will flow down and not collect on the top. Here is stilt house. These type of houses are usually made near rivers or lakes. People build them on high bamboo poles for protection in case the rivers or lakes overflows. These are some houses which can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called portable houses. For example, tent house. Some people keep moving from one place to another in search of food and work. In such cases, temporary houses called tents are made. They are made up of thick clothes called canvas. Caravans. Some people travel from one place to another in vehicles called caravans. In these vehicles, people can cook food, eat, sleep, and even watch televisions. Next is houseboats. We see these houseboats in Kerala and Kashmir. These houseboats are normally seen floating on lakes or river. Rooms in a house. We need a house for shelter and protection. It is a place where we feel safe and happy. So there are many rooms in it. For example, drawing room, bedroom, study room, dining room, kitchen, and bathroom. A bedroom is used for sleeping. A study room is used for reading and writing. A drawing room or living room is used to get together or to welcome our guest. A dining room is used for taking meals together. A kitchen is used for cooking food. A bathroom is used for taking bath. Now, who help us to build a house? So, answer is many people are needed to build a house. Let's meet them. Here is an architect. An architect draws a design for the house. A mason mixes cement and builds the walls. A carpenter makes doors and windows. An electrician fixes the lights and fans. A plumber fixes taps and pipes for water in the house. A painter does the painting work. So all these people put in a lot of hard work to build a house. All of them are important. So we must respect and thank all of them. Now let us learn about keeping the house clean. We should always keep our house and surrounding clean. Keep the things in their proper place after using. Dust things every day to keep away dirt and insects. Keep your house free from cobwebs. Children, cobwebs are spun by spiders. Okay? Use broom and mop to sweep and swab the floors every day. Do not scribble on the walls. So this was all about the houses, its types, people needed to build a house, and how we can keep our house clean. I hope you liked the video and understood the chapter. So keep learning. Thank you.